Hun engemutsen liam ta US presidential race US President nimek Joe Biden an Iowa Kamala Harris ding turah ati na chu nial rual lawin Barack Obama le Michelle Obama te chuan an rin na an nga zia an tilang. Sumay baka Paul shanga alandanin Kamala Harris chuan a kingpui Donald Trump chu a hnaisaw thlen ni in alangbok. Live video phone call alandanin Barack Obama le Michelle Obama te chuan Kamala Harris to an full support an pek thole ama an rin na an nga zia an tilangin an shil ani. Platform Exa campaign an nei na chuan chu call chu an mani na lem chan na an chan nilawin call tak tak ani zia an soibok ani.
Hey there.
Oh, hi, you're both together.
I can't have this phone call without saying to my girl Kamala, I am proud of you. This is going to be historic.
We called to say Michelle and I couldn't be prouder to endorse you and to do everything we can to get you through this election and into the Oval Office.
Oh my goodness. Michelle, Brock, this means so much to me. I am looking forward to doing this with the two of you, Doug and I both, and getting out there, being on the road. But most of all, I just want to tell you the words you have spoken and the friendship that you have given over all these years mean more than I can express. So thank you both.
Heti lai hian Paul shanga alandana chuanin Biden an Kamala Harris Iowa ding turah ati achang se hianin Kamala Harris hian Donald Trump chu a umpha lo chawa an inhlatna azau to lo hle ni in alangbok. San College in Poland lakna chuan Kamala Harris chuan za somli paruk mu in Donald Trump chuan za somli pariat mu a. July 30 laya Biden an nena khaikin chuan Biden a khan vote za somli pakhat a mulain Donald Trump hian za somli pakwa alang mu ani. Suti lain yuga pola ve thung chuan voters za somli pali chuan Donald Trump an thlangzoka voters za somli pakhate ro chuan Kamala Harris an thlangzok thung ani. Suti lain Emerson College le the Hill Changkopin Poland lakna chuanin Kamala Harris yan Trump achu heng state panga Arizona, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, Michigan le Georgia ate hian a hnaisaw hle ti alangbok. Heng state shang panga hian Donald Trump chuan chete te in ma ashwaya Wisconsin ti lawa chuan. Arizona chuan za somli pakwa ani line Kamala Harris chu za somli pali ani thunga. Georgia chuan Trumpan za somli pariat a hmulain Kamala Harris chuan za somli paruk a hmuthunga. Michigan thung chuan Trumpan za somli paruk a hmulain Kamala Harris hian za somli panga a hmuboka. Suti lain Pennsylvania chuan Trumpan za somli pariat a hmulain Kamala Harris hian za somli paruk a hmuthung ani. Wisconsin chuan za somli pasarin Trump andu lain za somli pasari vekin Kamala Harris hi andu thung ani. Pola hian registered voters te po antel vevek ani. Pol shang atlak da ni han en chuan Trump chuan economic ate immigration ate foreign policy ate le crime ate du tu anga filor hle ani. Ole US Inthlan lo thleng turte kan thlir meka kumsang khazakwa somthum pathuma inlarna anlo hmuh kha Kamala Harris hian athlendik tirdon reng empty ilaw enang chu shillokna video kan le to sa le en lo inom chuan description a hian a link mu thein na ome.